This next tool I want to show you is super practical, super easy to use, and 100% free. It's a photo website, and it's called unsplash.com, and it contains thousands and thousands of high-resolution, 100% free photos. And I'll actually show you an example of how you can search and find what you're looking for depending on what you blog about. So I'll search for parenting, and you'll see over 600 free parenting pictures. And they're all great photos. I mean, super high quality. Enlarge that and see it. And if you wanted to download it, all you have to do is just click that download button. Downloads right to your desktop there. So easy to use. And it has, tons of different categories. I mean, if you're searching for if you're run a financial blog, you might search finances. Over 1,000 photos related to finances. And again, super high quality, 100% free. And your blog, your writing is obviously what's most important for your blog. If you want to have a great blog, you need to have great writing. But what's second most important is your actual photos for your blog. And so I'll actually show you, I use unsplash.com for pretty much every photo I use in my blog. And you'll see that it makes my blog look, professional, well done. And so the reason why I think that your blog photos are second most important is that if you throw a cheesy stock photo that's not high quality, it's not high resolution, people will equate that to what's inside the article. So if you have a bad looking photo, they're going to think it's a bad article. And that may not be completely fair. You may have great writing inside the article, but if you throw up a horrible front door to that blog, then you may not have as many readers as you would otherwise. So hopefully you'll see the importance of using great photos for your blog, and hope that unsplash.com, I hope it's a great resource for you as you blog in the future.